Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So last time we changed our circuits for keeping track of train demand from a plus minus at with different step sizes to something that uses the upper and lower bits of the 32 on the plus side of the integers instead. I'm going to transfer this circuit into the Trainyard instead and see how I can control the Trainyard, what trains it releases. Just get off everything that we have so far except for the wait, where is the I think at some point I accidentally broke the counter. That might have led to some issues too. I see. No, I need to add this much. There we go. Okay, number one. Let's remove these combinators here. There we go. Let's also remove the lamps. And can just put that down here. Okay. The counter is good. We need a way to track what's in each train. And we probably also need these filters for that. And gotta remember, so I can now upgrade these with the script. Let's actually do that, since vanilla has bigger combinators now. Apparently, or is that vanilla? Should be vanilla. Settings. Is that slots maybe? Let me just check something real quick. should probably update while I'm at it. Here. Okay, so this is turned off. Therefore, the combinators as I see them in the game now are just 2 slots larger than they used to be. And I'm gonna pause the recording while I update. So see you in a second. And here we are, welcome back. So in case you did not know, I have a script that allows me to I think this is the one. Let's see. No, not exactly. So the script will allow me to spawn a line of constant combinators with the signals in it automatically placed, and that is all signals in the game, including virtual signals. Should be here. No. Dang it. Script's gone apparently. Or not. There it is. Except this is no longer workable now. So I replaced the 18 with 20, this 18 with 20, because the amount of slots has increased from, this is 10, indeed it is, 20 is correct. Constant combinators used to have 18 slots, now they have 20, so I need to fix this. Accordingly, so I saw an 18 there and another 18 there. $20 and another one there. 20. There you go. Yes, indeed. So we can remove this and these guys. Dang it. Okay. Wait, before I do that, I need minus, what's the maximum number? There we go. Okay. Let's see. Where is the set signal? Set signal. Signal index, that's the position, and here do this. And I think we have to remove this. Yep. See if that works. It does not. Damn it. Ah, crap. Okay. Let's try one more time. Name and type. Name, type. Nope, still not. Let's hope. Yeah, this is all I need to do. Okay. Get rid of this. There you go. Okay. Yeah. I can actually use my own script too. It's the one you saw first, this one. And what this one does instead, it gives me all the items sorted by stack size, which I will need for here you can see all the items currently in my game, which include several modded items, but I'm going to ignore that for now. And these are all sorted by stack size. So if I move that over to line up with the other one, here you can see all the items in stack size 1. All the items in stack size 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 2000. Right. I'm just going to leave this now as it is, but basically in a fresh new game, what I would do is I would go once, use a script with all the mods installed so that I get all the items from mods as well. Like this stuff, the text plates if there are any, stuff like that. You can see it over here as well with the Power Armor Mark III, for example. Right? That kind of stuff. I want that to be there for all the memories everywhere. Make sure that all the items are present so I don't have to manually add the items that mods add, I can do that automatically with the script, and that allows me to create this global memory that you saw me in one of the previous episodes. Saw me use in one of the previous episodes for the memory. I don't think that's it. Do we have it here? Here in this thing. This is basically where they all go, and what it looks like is like this. Right? 5, 10. This is 10. You have 50. 20. And then we have 50. 100. 200. And yeah, that's the same anyway. Okay. Now that's that done, I need to actually send all the information one more time to the memories. I can do that with this thing. And all the memories will have updated with the new info. So this is for our new signals here. What does interest me is why we have more combinators now instead of less. Oh, we don't. Just forgot to delete that one. There we go. And over here as well. And I think we needed those for the to be able to read the stations without getting false signals from virtual signals. But I'm not entirely sure if we need that yet. I hope not, but let's see. What's it gonna be? Read stop train. I don't think we need to stop train. I think we need to know whether or not there is something in the train. If everything is 0, this is a train that needs to go to loading. So how do I need to handle this? So this is unload, so we call this U. And this is load, so we call this L. L. we now know that we have I don't want to connect this directly either. I actually want to have a constant combinator here that first checks whether or not a constant combinator, a filter that only lets through the item that we actually want. So in this case we go with nuclear fuel plus 0, output what? Where's my each? Okay, constant combinator. No, doesn't. So I want to I don't want to force people to hit two buttons. I don't like this. I would prefer to have this as each. How did I think I used a really simple system over here to filter. Uh, nah, that was a different. I think I'm gonna have to leave it like that. I think that's the smallest way. Yeah. Oh well, it's not that big of a problem. So this is basically my filter that you have to set manually every time you create a new Trainyard, and you have to know what the Trainyard is for, like what resource are the trains in the Trainyard going to deliver, and based on that you set these two signals, right? Okay. Mm. Let's just for the moment remove. this, and I'm going to force the station to be on for just a moment here. So anything is not 0. There you go. I think I know how to each. Took me a moment to recall that, but it wasn't leaving me in peace. So we're going to do this each, that is that. You're going to let go through. The only problem now is with this, I think, and I have to be sure that this is not a problem. If I have 2 signals, which might mean that this doesn't work either. If I have 2 signals with the same value, yeah, okay, this doesn't work either. If you see on the right side, I would still need to okay, no, this does not work. There you go. Okay. I'm probably going to end up with some sort of, like in the stations themselves, I have a bunch of settings combinators over here. I'm probably going to do something similar over here too. And then I can also underlay these with concrete, so to make it more obvious that there's something that you can change settings in. That's how I do it with all my other blueprints too. So one where I can actually properly show it. I might have lost all the concrete at some point, but here you can see it, for example, concrete here. This is like the thing that you manually interact with. Here you have your stack sizes sorted, which you can change by hand or add and remove stuff. Here you have a switch, and here you have a setting that the address, right? This lets you change the address of where this information is delivered to. In the remotes, you also have it here with the switches. Stuff like that. That's basically how I tell you that here is where you change something manually. And I might do that with this too. Okay, so now we know whether or not the train is a train that needs to be loaded or unloaded, or where it goes to. I wonder. Dang it. I did it again. Here. Okay. So what do I see up here? Two trains that need to go to loading, and everything else goes to unloading. Perfect. Yes, this works as I thought it might. I can now, first of all, I can count how many trains I have in total, but I can also count how many trains I have for which application. What do I need to do next? I need to figure out how many of the trains for what I need to release the dispatch signal. That'll go from the bottom up, I think. No, that doesn't quite work either. Does it make... Yeah. This is getting a little bit annoying. So I want to... No, this is perfect. Right. So what I want to do is I get the number of how many trains I need to send where. No. This is something that I need to think about a little bit, so I'll do that in between episodes. How I best handle the computation of which station to release, which train to release, which how many to turn on, off, and how to give the feedback from the stations whether or not they have released a train. To then subtract that from the global counter, I guess. That'll be interesting, but it'll be for another time. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.